the return of a one-of-a-kind icon. The 1985 Rough BTR III. For decades, the automotive world has been captivated by restomods, classic cars, updated with modern performance. However, long before this became a mainstream trend, rough automobile was already setting the standard. What began in the late 1930s as a repair shop evolved into a legendary manufacturer that didn't just modify Porsches, but re-engineered them to achieve levels of performance the factory hadn't yet reached. Now, a rare piece of that history is resurfacing. A one-off 1985 Porsche 911 Carrera Targa, modified to the highly specialized BTR III specification. A unique engineering legacy. While many rough models follow established production lines, this specific vehicle is a singular creation. Originally converted to BTR III specs in 1990, the car represents a specific era of Rough's evolution, where they blended the classic silhouette of the 911 with aggressive, turbo-inspired aerodynamics and significantly increased power. Key technical specifications include engine, an upgraded 3.4-liter turbocharged flat-six, output 408 HP, a massive figure for a mid-80s platform, drivetrain, a traditional 5-speed manual transmission, aesthetics, a specialized front spoiler, a turbo-style rear spoiler, and signature 17-inch rough speedline wheels. From long-term ownership to total restoration, the rarity of this vehicle is compounded by its provenance. It remained with its original owner for nearly 40 years before changing hands in 2024. Following this transition, the car underwent an exhaustive restoration by SV Automotive Engineering to bring it back to factory-fresh condition. The restoration was not merely cosmetic. It was a mechanical overhaul designed to ensure the car performs as well as it looks. Mechanical and interior refinement. The engine has been completely rebuilt, receiving new pistons, cylinders, valves, and bearings, while even the turbocharger and wastegate were serviced. Beyond the powertrain, the restoration addressed suspension and amp, braking, comprehensive upgrades to the suspension, and a full overhaul of the braking system. Interior, a complete refresh including new carpeting and the preservation of period-correct details like the Blaupunkt cassette stereo and the leather-wrapped rough steering wheel. Climate control, maintenance of the specialized rough air conditioning system. Market context and availability, the vehicle is currently being offered for sale via P Car Market in La Verne.